Hi friends, welcome to my channel in my intermediate Vedic Mathematics course. So let us start with today's topics. Before I start today's topics, what are the topics that we have done the last time? Last time we have done division by base method above base and where the base is 20 to 90. Any number which is 20 to 90, right? 20 to 90 plus, right? So all the bases from 20 to 90 division by, remember, this is by the base method. So what we are going to do today? We are going to do the same thing, division by base method, but this time it is above base also, but this time it is, the base is 200 to 900. Instead of 20 to 90, the base is 200 to 900. So let us see, this is somewhat little different from 200 to 900, but similar definitely. So let us try to do this problem. Let us take one example, the first question. Let us divide 3 to 5 with 3 to 5, 3, 1 by 212. 212. Remember here, what is to be remembered? This is base is 200. Base is 200 and the difference is what? Base minus 212, which is equal to 12 bar. Division, and the difference is 200 minus 212, which is 12 base. So I'll write down 12 base here, 12 bar here, 12 bar here. And since the base is 200, the two zeros will put one line after two digits. Okay, so now let us start doing the problem. We'll divide it by the 2, the first digit of the divisor. When it is more than 1, if the divisor is more than 100, 100, 200, like that, divisor is 200 something, 300 something, so we'll take the first digit, that is the divisor, that is the 2. We'll divide by 2, right? So here we need to follow the same method, the method that I told you earlier. That is what the first to do is divide this 3 by this 2. So we put down 1 here, it goes one time, and put down 1 here, and then it becomes 3 minus 2 is 1. Here the principle is divide and minus, multiply and add, multiply and plus. Let us see, we have divided by 2, we have got 1 here, we have minus, reduced it, 1. Now this 1 will put here. Now multiply this 12 bar with this 1, it becomes 1 bar and 2 bar, 1 bar and 2 bar. Now here it comes 12, 1 bar. Now multiply and plus, so plus here, 12 minus 1 is what? 11. We got 11 here. Now divide it by 2, we get 5. 5 times it goes 10. Now divide and minus, it becomes 1, so put this 1 here. Now this 5 into 12 bar is what? 60. 5 and 12. So 6 bar and 0 here. Write down 0 bar, 0 doesn't matter. So here it comes 6 plus 2, 8 plus 15, which is 7. Now this 2 goes 3 times into 8 and you get 6 here. It comes 1 down, 1 here. Put down 1 here. It becomes 13. Now 3 into 12 bar is 36 bar. 36 bar. Right now 1 plus 6 bar is 5 bar and 3 plus 0 3 bar and 13. So this becomes 10. 13 minus 3 is 10, 105. Now this has become 105. Now 105 bar. So devinculate it, 5, 10 minus 5, 5. Reduce this by 1, it becomes 9, 95, and this becomes 153. So the answer is, quotient is 153, remainder is 95. I'll do it once again. Base is 200, difference is 200 minus 212 is 12 bar. write down 12 bar here, write down 2 here, the divisor is 2 here. Now divide this 3 by this 2, goes one time, write down 2 here, difference is 1, divide and then minus, divide 2 into 1 and then minus 1. Now 1 into 12 bar is 12 bar, 1 bar, 2 bar. So it becomes 12 minus 1 is 11. 11. Now 2 goes 5 times into it. 5 to the 10. Difference is 1. 1 goes here. Now 5 into 12 bar is 6 bar. 60 means 60. 6 bar, 0 bar. Now this becomes 6 plus 2, 8 and 15. It becomes 7. 2 goes 3 times into it. 3 to the 6. Difference is 1. Put down 1 here. Now 3 into 12 bar, 36 bar, 3 bar, 6 bar, 13 minus 3 bar, 10 and 6 bar plus 1 is 5 bar. So devinculate it, 5 plus 5, reduce it by 1, 9, it becomes 153, remainder is 95, the answer is there. You have to follow the process and you can do it very easily. Let's do the next sum. Question number 2. 1011 divided by 401. Divided by 401. The difference is 01. 400 minus 401, 01 bar, and you have to divide by the number 4. Divide by 4. Put down a line after 2 digits. Base has got 2 zeros. Base here is 400. 400. 401. 001 bar. Right. So here the 4 goes 2 times into 10. 4 to the 8. Difference is 2. Write down 2 here. 1, 1. Write down 2 here. Okay. Write down 2 here. Now 2 into 0, 1 is 0, 2 bar. Now this becomes 21 minus 0 is 21 plus 0 is 21 and 1 and minus 2 is 1 bar. Now devinculate this. 10 minus 1 is 9. Reduce this 21 by 1. This becomes 209 and this is 2. So the answer is 2 is the quotient. Remainder is 209. Quite simple. Right? I hope you have followed it. Do I need to tell you again? 1 here 10. 4 goes 2 times into 8. 8. It becomes 2. 2 goes there. Now 21. Now 2 into 01 is 02. 21 plus 0 is 21. 1 minus 2 is 1 bar. Now devinculate it. When the first digit is vinculated, we can vary only devinculate it. That's all. Nothing else is to be done. So 9, then 1, 209, 2 QR. Q is 2, remainder is 209. Let's do the third problem. 10764 divided by 99. Here it's 01 bar. Put 2 lines. Put 1 line after 2 digits. Now, and here it is 713, not 99. 713. Okay, the 713. So this is your 13 bar. 700, 700, 713. The difference is 13 bar. So write down 13 bar here. Line after 2 digits. The divider is 7 here, the first digit. Now it goes one time into it. Write down 7 here. It comes 3. Put down 3 here. 13 bar into 1 is 1 bar and 3 bar. 1 bar and 3 bar, this becomes 36. Now 7 goes into it 5 times. 5 sevens are 35. 35 here. 1. 1 goes here. Right now 5 into 13 bar is 6 bar, 5 bar. 5 into 13 bar. 6 bar, 5 bar. Now 6 plus 3, 9, plus 16 is 7, and 5 bar plus 4 is 1 bar. Now just devinculate it. 9 minus 1, 10 minus 1 is 9. Reduce this by 1, you get 69, and here it is 15. The quotient is 15, and the remainder is R. The remainder is 69. So what we did, 13 bar, now 10, 7 goes one time into it, 7, 3 comes here, 37. 13 into 1 bar is 1 bar, 3 bar, 37 minus 1 is 36. Now 7 goes 5 times into it, 5 sevens are 35. Difference is 1, 1 is put here. Now 5 into 13, 6 bar, 5 bar. Now it becomes 6 plus 3, 9 and 16, 7 plus 7, and then 4 bar, 4 plus 5 bar is 1 bar, 71 bar, 7, 1 bar. Now devinculate it. 10 minus 1, 9, reduce this by 1, 6, 15. Quotient is 15, remainder is 69. Quite simple. I think you have followed it. Now let me do the last problem. Five three two six two. 53262 divided by 512. Here it is 500. Here is 500. 512. It's 12 bar. Okay, now 12 bar, write down 12 bar here, and to be divided by the number 5. 5. Now put down one line after 2 digits. Every time, because the base is 500, there are 2 zeros here. Now 5, it goes one time into it, into 5. It becomes 0, write down 0 here. And 12 bar into 1 is 12 bar, 1 bar, 2 bar. 1 bar, 2 bar, this becomes 2. Now 5 goes 0 times into it, and you get 0 here. The difference is 0, 2. This 2 goes here. Now 0 into 1, 12 bar is 0 bar, 0 bar. Doesn't matter, 0, 0. Now 22 minus 2 is 20. 20. Now 5 goes 4 times into it. 5 fours are 20. And the difference is 0. So 0 goes here, 0, 6. Now 4 into 12 bar is 4, 48 bar, 4 bar, 8 bar. Now this becomes 6 bar, and 6 minus 4 bar, 6 plus 4 bar is 2. So 26 bar and 104. Devinculate it. 10 minus 6 is 4. Reduce this by 1, 14, and this is 104. 104, 14. Quotient is 104. Remainder is 14. I think you must have followed this by now. Things are simple. Only thing is the process is to be followed meticulously. Just focus into it, listen to my video, and just learn it, right? Now, since you have understood it, let me give some exercise for you which you can practice for yourself. Exercise 1, 2, 3, 4 divided by 312 2563 divided by 413, 4892 divided by 614, 23236 divided by 511. Please do these sums yourself, practice it yourself. This will help you to understand the things properly. So what we have done today, we have done the division by base methods, above base 200 to 900. I think you have followed it. So just to practice the problems so that you can also follow it better. In case there is any problem, as I always tell you, please do write in the comments box, right? So if you have liked my video, please do subscribe to my channel, hit the bell icon, like and share with others so others can also take the benefit of learning Vedic mathematics. So what we are going to do next time? Next time we are going to do Math Magic 2. That's what you'll see. Some Math Magic 2 in between. We need introduce some special things just to break the monotony. That you will see the next time. So till the time I meet you again with my next video, with my next topics, all the best. Please take care of yourself.